Okay, they did the grand reopening here, I think. Well, there's new, they have the new signs up, but I think these machines are original, so let's get started. Can't read barcode. Wait, it gave me a Pepsi. Wait, why did it give me a Pepsi? Oh, there's my bottle. Can't read barcode. I'll wipe that down. It should take that. I mean, NY 5 cents and all. So let me wipe down the barcode here and try it again. Alright, I'm going to screw the Coke rewards off this one, and now I'm going to put it in. I don't think this has deposit, but I'll try it anyway. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wait, why didn't it take this? Hold on. Wipe that one down. Goodness. Why can't it read that? Come on. Whatever, I'll try that later. Can't accept this container. Give me a break. Oh, come on. Don't think it'll take this. Let's find out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Can't read barcode. Usual problem with the Kirkland's water. Try it again. Oh, come on. Come on. Did it just return that one? Yeah, it did. Sorry about aiming the camera down there. Two employees walked past. Okay. Well, now they're gone, so let's keep it moving. Give me a break. Oh, come on. I just cleaned that one too. Come on. container isn't authorized. Oh, come on! It's not gonna take it. Oh, fell right out. Come on. I didn't even put the bottle in and it acted like I did. Sometimes I wish Envipco had material recognition, but most of the time I don't. Alright. I don't think it's going to be able to read this one. I'll try it later if it doesn't take it now. Oh, it took it. Okay. Doesn't take the little Sprite. Let me try it again. See what it says. Can't accept this container. There we go. Oh, it's not gonna take it. Oh, it's not gonna take it. I'm gonna wipe down all the Kirklands I have from now on. Okay. Alright. And I think we're just about done with the plastic here. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, let's see what else we got here. One more plastic, and we also have one that it didn't accept. Actually, two that it did not take. So we're gonna try those again. Just took that one. See if it takes this one. And come on. There we go. And go on over here to the cans machine. Actually, there's an open one right over there. That's the only one with the old cover. Or the old LCD screen, I should say.
không đăng ký rồi. Không đăng ký rồi.
Ooh, interesting receipt there, Envipco paper. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 machines here total. So, that's it.